once come to guide the solar system installation for apartment in Aruba in last year. So after 1 year, how is this solar system working right now? Let's go to have a look. This is the electric room. Let's see how is our engineer and client engineer working. For this solar system, we guide to installation as of grade in last year, but right now there's grid power connection. So today we come to here to guide the customer's engineer to install the city meters.